What's good, YouTube? My name is Xaviera, Unaja, and welcome back to my channel. I feel so weird to say, but welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming my skincare routine. It's under like $20–$25. Shouldn't be that expensive, but yeah. Welcome back. This feels weird, but yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. Comment down below. Some words of encouragement, some videos you guys would like to see, some feedback, anything. But don't be rude, be nice. And subscribe. After you press the subscribe button, press the bell next to it, and so you can be notified every time I post a video. Yeah, so let's get into this. No playing, let's get into this video. Alright, you guys. We're gonna start off by washing our face normally. Okay, get your rag and wash your face. You know how to wash your face with the rag. I got my scrubber, and then I'm gonna take like just a generic face wash. Like, I don't know if you can see it or not, but just a generic face wash. I'll pump it and then get the scrubber. And I might need some more. There's some more. And then we wash it off. And if you don't get everything, you just use your face wash or your face towel. Okay, next step. I use the St. Ives cleansing stick. This is cactus water and hibiscus. It says it instantly hydrates and softens skin as you cleanse. This stuff, I like this stuff because it gives you like a glowy, like finish. I don't know. It makes you glow. So yeah, it looks like this. Mine's all dirty because I use it a lot, but you twist stuff. It's like deodorant. Wet your face again before you use this. And I'll just put it straight on my face. And I rub it like mainly focusing on the places that have your highlights, like your highlight areas. That's where I focus mine. Up here on your nose, your forehead, lip, things like that. But you can still wash it everywhere else. That's where I focus my areas. Oh, and make sure to wash your hands before you start touching your face. So, yeah, obviously. Okay, and then I'm going to wash this off. Alright, so I'm going to take my Sea Breeze. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but my Sea Breeze and some cotton pads, and I'm gonna wipe all over my face. You guys can see that the glow is up there. It's there. So take a little bit of this on the cotton bed and just wipe. And this stuff stings, so So we're gonna take the next pad. And then get a little bit more on there. And then on the other side. Okay, so after you're done fanning your face and it's like kind of dry, you see that glow. I know y'all see that glow. Anyways, I'm taking a L'Oreal Paris Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. This stuff, I love it. It makes your face glow. I don't know. Yeah, I really don't know if you guys can see that, but that's bomb. Shake it, and your face is gonna feel like cool. Like it's gonna feel like it's stinging, but at the same time, like cool. So that's how your face should be feeling right now. And then I go overboard with that, but that's because I'm extra and I want my skin to glow. So yeah. And then I'm gonna take my this is just some Walmart coconut oil. You don't gotta get anything fancy, like it's just coconut oil. It all works the same. So yeah. I'm gonna take maybe that much. Probably gonna need just a little bit more. I'm actually gonna take just a little bit more. And then this just helps, you know, even more boost the glowiness. And that's it. So I'm gonna show you guys like a little DIY for when your lips is crusty. Mine's not really crusty right now, but they needs a little bit of help. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So I took a little sugar from the kitchen, and you just go in with your coconut oil again. Same, about that size. Okay, you mix it up, and then rub it across your lips. And wash it off. Excess, you just go like this. And yeah, if you guys want to use your coconut oil as a lip moisturizer, then that's fine. But I use my Lip Med-X by Blistex. I should throw my shirt. I use my Lip Med-X by Blistex. This one tingle a little bit, but then boom, that's it. That's also it for this video. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell so you get notified every time that I post. And yeah, thank you for watching my video, you guys. If you haven't already, go watch my last video too. It's a story time. So yeah, yeah, I'll see you guys next time.